Over the last few months, AI influencers have been trending across social media platforms. That's why we found the best AI art generator tool for your next project. You've seen all these AI influencers created using this tool, right? But this isn't just any simple AI tool. It's an all-in-one toolkit for your creativity. Imagine you have a sketch and you want a professional-looking image with just one click. Or turn text into stunning AI-generated images, producing breathtaking art, illustrations, drawings, paintings, and images. But that's not all. You can create different image variations, automatically remove the background, generate an ideal background based on templates or text, and generate AI headshots as it transforms your personal photos into AI portraits in various styles and settings, and many more things. And I think it's an all-in-one tool for your creativity with image upscaling, outpainting, background removal, and text and image to video creation. Hey everyone, welcome back to ManuAG. In this video, we talk about PromeAI, an advanced AI art generator platform. PromeAI is like having a digital artist at your fingertips. This AI-driven platform helps bring your creative visions to life. Whether you're designing for e-commerce, architecture, or just playing around with graphics, and you want to create your AI supermodel. With its vast library of design styles and the ability to transform simple sketches into stunning visuals, PromeAI streamlines the design process, making it faster and more efficient. It's perfect for professionals looking to enhance their workflow and anyone eager to explore the possibilities of AI in art and design. Whether on the web or via mobile, PromeAI offers flexibility with both free and premium plans, ensuring tools and features that fit various needs and budgets. Excited to start creating? Check out the link in the description to learn more and maybe even start your own AI art journey. Open PromeAI.pro in your browser and just start creating for free. Create a new account using your email ID or connect your Gmail account. So I connect with my Gmail account and open a new account. After login, you see this type of dashboard. On the left-hand side, you see all your tools. First, in your image generation tab, you access all your image generation tools. Next, in your image editing tab, you access all your editing tools. Next, you access your video creation tool using your text prompt or image to video tool. And in your assets folder, you access all your assets. And if you have a team, then connect with your team in this team tab, and you access all these tools on your homepage. Let's start with image generation tools. First, sketch rendering. Upload your sketch and generate a high-quality rendering image. Next, AI image generator. Turn your text into a stunning AI-generated image. Next, Creative Fusion. Blend your image with an artistic style and create a unique artwork. Next, image variation. Generate images with a similar style or layouts. Photo to sketch. Convert your photo into sketch artwork. Background diffusion. Automatically remove the background and generate a new one based on templates and text. Next, AI supermodel. Create your own AI supermodels. Next, text effects. Render your black and white text layouts in 3D various effects. AI headshot generator. AI PNG generator. And you also access image editing tools like HD upscaler, erase and replace outpainting background remover, relighting effects, and also access video creation tools like image to video or text to video tools. Okay, let's start with sketch rendering. So just go to the sketch rendering tool. You upload your own sketch using this plus icon, or create a new sketch using the Sketch Something tab, or choose any default available sketches you like. And in the Discover tab, you see all your community-created images, and in the generation history, you access all your generated images. Okay, let's start with uploading my own sketch. I have a beautiful sketch in my system, so I upload this. After uploading, you crop your image using this crop tab, so I crop extra space and save now. And if you want to choose any size format, then choose and click Done tab. Next, move to your prompt tab and first choose your style like realistic, natural, cinematic, commercial, or fantasy, and any one you like. So let's choose cinematic for this image, but you choose any according to your requirements. Next, select your scene. Choose any scene like architecture, interior, commercial space, landscape, or fashion, or product-related scenes. Okay, let's choose a customize and move to the next mode tab. And you choose any mode like precise, outline, depth, precision concept. My default precise mode is selected. Next, move to the reference image. If you have any reference image, then select otherwise select blank and move to next. And if you have any negative prompt, then enter it here and select your artistry for artistic image. So I encourage something and choose your lighting style. We choose bright neon lighting style. Next, choose your standard or professional mode. So I select professional mode for this image and click the Generate tab and generate your image. And a few seconds later, my 3 new images are generated based on my style or sketch. Let's see my sketch and generated image. You see them side by side or in a slide format and see the difference. But the best part of this tool is you access all your editing tools directly here. Let's see. First, you see the Publish tab. If you want to publish this post in the community, then click to publish and publish now. Next, if you like or dislike this image, then give your feedback directly here. Next, if you want to download this image, then click this Download tab and download it in preview or full HD format. And if you want to HD upscale this image, then upscale in full HD, normal upscale, or normal 4x upscale. And if you want to edit this image, then go to these 3 dots and access all editing and generating features here. First, HD Upscaler, if you want to upscale your image in HD format. And if you want to convert your image into video, then click this Image to Video tab. And you use all editing tools like erase and replace any part of your image. Create the outer part of your painting using outpainting. Remove your image background using the background remover, and relight your image using the relight effect. And also access all image generation tools like sketch rendering, photo to sketch, AI Supermodel, text effects, Creative Fusion, image variation, background diffusion, and AI headshot generator. Okay, we want to upscale this image using HD Upscaler. So go to HD Upscaler and first select your template like natural or anime, so I choose natural. Next, choose creative options like low or high and click the Generate tab and generate now. And a few seconds later, my image is upscaled. And you see all these models created using this tool, and you see the image quality difference. And I click the Download tab and download this image. And I move to the Editing tab and edit this image using Erase and Replace. So I click the Erase and Replace tab. And first, you select the part you want to replace or remove. I select this t-shirt color, and I want to change this t-shirt color. So I select Recolor and choose my new color. And click the Generate tab and generate now. A few seconds later, I got my 3 new images, and you see the color difference between these images. I want to change this image lighting effects. So I go to the Relight tool and change the lighting effects. And you see all your lighting effects. So you select your light and change the position. For example, I select light 1 or change the position. So you select all your lights and change these positions. And if you want to create a new light, then click the New Light tab and create a new light and set this light position. After completing your setting, click the Download tab and download your image. And you see my downloaded image quality, and it's mind-blowing. Okay, let's start with another example of my house sketch. So I just upload from my system and move to the Crop tab and crop extra space and save now. Next, go to the Style tab and select my style. I select Commercial, and next move to the Scene tab and select my scene, and it's my house sketch. So I select Architecture Scene and choose Building Type Villa. Next, move to the Mode section and select a precise mode, and choose any reference image if you have, otherwise select blank. Next, select your standard and professional mode, and we select Professional mode, and click the Generate tab and generate now. And a few seconds later, you get your new generated images, and you see the difference in side-by-side or in a slider format. But this image quality very low, so I move to the Edit tab and select HD Upscaler. And move to HD Upscaler, and first select a template like natural or anime, so I select natural. Next, choose the creative option, high or low, and click the Generate tab and generate now. And a few seconds later, I got my new image, and you see the difference in my both images. And I click the Download tab and download now. And if you want to make more changes to this image, then go to the Edit tab and edit now. Okay, let's move to the next tool, AI Image Generator, using just input your text prompt. Just go to the prompt input section and input your text prompt. For example, I just input create a beautiful young girl in a romantic mood, move to the Style tab, and select an image style like cinematic. Next, move to the Scene tab, and if you want to choose a specific scene, select Now, otherwise move on. Next, move to the Perspective tab and set your perspective. I want to create a long shot, so I select that. Choose your size if you want to change it, or set your artistry level for artistic images. Let's say I set it at 20, then choose a lighting effect. I choose translucency for this image, but you can choose any according to your requirements. Click the Generate tab and generate now. A few seconds later, your image is ready. You can see all these stunning images created using this tool, and they're so realistic and attractive. Okay, let's move to the next tool, Creative Fusion. Using this tool, you can create unique artwork with different artistic styles with full control over your image or artistic style. For example, I choose my model image. With my image, I choose a style image. So I go to the Style Image tab and choose a specific image. Let's say I choose this image style. Next, select my render mode, and next set your style intensity. Let's say I set it at 60%. Click the Generate tab and generate now. A few seconds later, I got these stunning images using this blending tool. And you see all the stunning images, and it's so amazing and based on my model image. Let's say I want to create more variations for my model. So I go to the Image Variation tool and generate images with similar styles, layouts, perspectives. First, I select my model. Next, I set my variation at 60% and input what I want with my model. Let's say I want to create my model wearing sunglasses and in a romantic mood. And click the Generate tab and generate now. And you see all my model-created variations with different style formats and looks. And I think it's a very useful tool for your next AI model-related projects. Let's move to the next background diffusion tool for your next product image. Using this tool, you automatically remove the background and generate an ideal background based on templates or text. For example, I have a beautiful bag product, and I want to create more creative and attractive images for my marketing purpose. So first, I select the bag, and next choose the background color or design. If you want to choose a specific single color, then select any particular color, or if you want to choose a design with color, then go to the Small Objects tab and select the design you like. Let's say I select this. Next, choose your image size, set your precision, and click the Generate tab to generate your image. And a few seconds later, my product image is ready. And you see all these images in different styles with different products. So you can use this tool and create your next marketing campaign images very fast. Next, let's move to our favorite tool, AI Supermodel. Using this tool, you select your model and change your model styles, looks, dressings, backgrounds, and products. First, I select my model image. And first, you select these parts you want to keep or not change. Let's say I want to not change the model's face or hairstyle. So select these two things and all other things I want to change. First, I go to Select Model tab, choose my model based on a specific area zone, and next, choose my model's hairstyles, model age, model size, and model expressions, and select the model's clothes according to your requirements. After selecting everything, next move to the Select Background tab and choose any background just like you like. Let's choose City Alleyway. Next, move to the Face Reference tab and select your reference face. And if you don't have any face reference, click blank and click to generate the tab and generate your AI supermodel. And a few seconds later, you got your AI supermodel images in different looks, in different styles, with different backgrounds. Let's see all the images I created. Just click the Download tab and download now and post on your social media or any other specific use case. But what happens if you want your AI headshot for your professional use case? Let's move to our next tool, AI Headshot. Using the AI Headshot generator, as it transforms your personal photos into AI portraits in various styles and settings. First, I select my image and go to the Prompt tab and choose a specific style in the Style tab. Let's say I create for commercial use, so I select Commercial. Next, move to the Scene tab and choose any specific scene like Minimalist or Professional, and choose any men or women's fashion scenes. Let's say I choose a woman fashion scene. Next, choose your body composition. If you want a half-body photo, then choose half-body composition, and if you want an ID photo, then choose ID photo composition. I choose half-body and click the Generate tab and generate now. And a few seconds later, you got all your AI headshots, and you see all headshots I created with different styles, designs, and formats. You just click the Download tab and download your shots and use them for any specific use cases. I think PromeAI is an all-in-one AI tool platform for your AI art generation creativity. You just start PromeAI with a free account and you get some free coins every month. But if you want to use it in your professional use case, I highly recommend you buy base or standard plans according to your requirements. And if you buy a yearly plan, then you got a 26% discount. It's a limited time, so buy right now. And special thanks to PromeAI for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in our next video.